Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Nifty index options today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the price opened here 10,590. We expected Nifty index to stay in downtrend, so right after the opening the price came down a bit and went up till 10,610, and it had a sharp fall towards 10,535, close near 10,568. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 10,560. So how we try to put that in the option chain? Yesterday we thought of buying a 10,500 put option, and that opened around 12 and came down till 8 and went up till 24, gave some profit and close near 9.6. So what we can do today? Today is the contract expiry, so we need to be a bit careful. Don't drag your position as a buyer of option. Time decay is going to kill all the profits, all the premium today. So be fast. Today also we can select the same 10,500 put option. Maybe it may be opening around 10 or 12. Just buy it, and the maximum loss may be 12, and let's see. We are expecting that the price can come down, but things should happen immediately. If everything is going to happen after 12 or 1 o'clock, it is of no use. Let's see how it's moving. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.